Hi friends, welcome back to channel SciTech Guru. In this video, I'll try to do the speed test and the RAM management test comparison between Moto H20 versus Poco F3 GT device by using the 7 heavy games. As you can see friends, right now I didn't install the 7 games, so later I'll try to include plenty of other games as well, so make sure to stay tuned for those videos. But right now let's see, with the 7 games, which phone will be able to survive this kind of RAM management test, and that is what I'm going to exactly demonstrate, and which can actually open these games faster as well. So these are the two things which we'll try to focus. So stock UI versus the MIUI, Snapdragon 778G versus the Dimensity 1200 chipset, 8GB RAM versus of course 8GB RAM only in this phone. So still there is no expandable RAM available in the Poco series 8. So right now let's see friends, which phone can actually load them fast. These are the 5 games, and I mean 7 heavy games. So let's see. And just before this video, I did upload on the iQOO 7 as well. In case if you want, you can take a look at the iQOO 7 device. The stock UI was able to perform really great in my opinion, and few of the users, they want to know how well it will perform with comparing with the Poco F3 GT, because we got to know the Poco F3 GT has got slightly better RAM management system when compared with other MI phones. That's the reason even I am really curious to see which phone will be having what kind of results. So first I need to connect to the same kind of Wi-Fi connectivity in both phones, and here is a 2.4 GHz and 2.4 GHz. So both are connected to the same 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. So before starting the test, I need to clear everything from the background, so all the apps are completely clean in both phones. There is no background application running at this point. And let's get started friends with the first game, which is Asphalt 9 game 1, 2, 3. Let's see which phone will be able to open these games faster and load them quick. And right now the Moto H20 was able to load this game slightly kind of fast. You can see the difference how it is. And both are connected to the same Wi-Fi network itself, both phones. Yes. The Moto H20 has got slight problems with the Wi-Fi connection in my testing. That is what I did find out. And the Poco F3 GT was able to log in this game faster than the Moto H20. Not an issue. Still the Moto H20 is taking some time to load. So right now it got loaded. And the Poco F3 GT is a clear winner in the Asphalt 9. Next is a Battlegrounds mobile game. Let's see this game, which phone can open fast. So for more this kind of speed test results, make sure to follow the playlist which are created. So there will be a playlist available, so by using the playlist you can actually get to know what is happening with each and every device as well. Let me need to go to the exact settings and show you what's going on. Yep. So Battlegrounds mobile, I think the Poco F3 GT was able to open slightly kind of faster. Next is a Call of Duty game. Let's see this Call of Duty game, which phone can actually open that login page first. That is what I'm going to exactly check the login page first. And right now both phones are loading pretty much faster, and Moto H20 was able to log in first. So later we got the message in the Poco F3 GT, slight difference but not a huge difference. So maybe because of the starting trouble which I did have, like sign in problem, that's the reason I think so. But for your sake, let me try to do the test again, this Call of Duty game. Only this one game I'll try to do it again. Let's see which phone can actually do this, open this game fast. That is what my main purpose of doing. And but yes, now there is no restrictions. Now let's see. So Poco F3 GT started to load slightly kind of fast. I think login page, Poco F3 GT got the login page first, as you can see it's clearly. So maybe because before it did ask certain permissions, that's the reason why the phone was slightly kind of slow perform. But right now it was able to open the game faster than the Moto H20. Not an issue, no problem at all. Next is a Free Fire game, 1, 2, 3. Let's see this Free Fire game. Can it open fast or not? And Poco F3 GT. So most of the speed test, I think the Poco F3 GT was able to open them slightly kind of faster as well. In the right now also I got the same message asking for the permission. Sorry for that. Let me need to clear, and maybe I think just now I did update the application. That's the reason why I'm getting this kind of messages. So it's been a while doing this kind of speed test comparison, I think in the Poco F3 GT. That's the reason. So I need to update them before doing this kind of test. Right now loading speed first in the Poco F3 GT loaded, and then in the Moto H20. So in terms of the loading speed, yes, the Poco F3 GT has got really very good advantage. So it loads pretty faster than the Moto H20, the Poco F3 GT. And in case if you want me to compare any other phones, let me know in the comment section below what phones you want me to compare side by side. Similarly like this, I'll definitely do even those kind of videos as well as soon as possible. First we got the request in the Poco F3 GT to log in. Right now you can see how both phones are loading. And first we got in the Moto H20 as well the tap to open option, and then in the Poco F3 GT. Now I'm trying to tap at same time. Now let's see what will happen next. It's loading first in the Poco F3 GT, and Moto H20 is also taking some time to load. I think the Poco F3 GT may be loading the game fast. I think so at this moment, maybe. Yes, the Poco F3 GT did load the game faster than the Moto H20, no problem. And next is PUBG. As you can see, after clicking the PUBG game, after certain time they did open. Instant we did not see. That's because background there's some heavy task is going on. That's the reason maybe. So you did see that, right? Both phones, not one phone, both phones after tapping for few seconds they reacted to open the game. That's because of heavy RAM management. First is the Poco F3 GT, and next Moto H20 also open. Next open the Standoff 2. Let's see this game. So overall the speed test, the Poco F3 GT was able to open really faster than the Moto H20. That's the one thing which I can definitely confirm you right now itself. And let's see the RAM management. So which phone really wins the RAM management segment? That's going to be really very interesting thing to check right now. So first Poco F3 GT, again the RAM management, that's perfect. And still the Moto H20 is loading. So overall I did open that, I think close to 7 games. Everything, all the games are completely open in both phones, as you can see friends. Absolutely 7 games. Now let's check the RAM management one by one. We'll be able to get to know. Next is a PUBG. Both phones are opening fast. PUBG, not an issue. Next is a Genshin Impact. Genshin Impact. Genshin Impact game also was able to open in both phones. Next is FIFA game. FIFA game also was able to open in both phones. That's perfect. So 4 games did open in the background RAM management in both devices, even after some time. Right now Call of Duty. That's good, not bad. So as you can see, Call of Duty was able to open. Yep, perfect. So 5 games did open friends in the stock UI and the MIUI. Next is the game which is the Battlegrounds mobile game. Let's see the Battlegrounds mobile game. I think yes, 1 2 3, boom. The Moto H20 was able to keep the Battlegrounds mobile game in the background RAM management. That's fantastic. So whereas the Poco F3 GT was unable to do, I think this is my first time where the Moto H20 did beat this Poco F3 GT in terms of the RAM management test. Before, every time the Poco F3 GT and these two phones used to come each other equally, but right now this test clearly proves what is happening with the stock UI. Even though the phone has got really less powerful chipset, it all means that the UI optimization should be really good to make this happen. Only then the multitasking will be and RAM management will be very smooth. Final game, which is Asphalt 9 game, let's try. No issue. So both phones are same in terms of Asphalt 9, nothing much major complaints. So all friends, in terms of the RAM management test, the Moto H20 has clearly won the race because of one game, and all the games are completely speed and in the Poco F3 GT. They did open slightly faster in the Poco F3 GT. That's it friends, thank you for watching this video. This is a quick comparison between both phones, and in case if you want me to do this kind of comparison with other smartphones, let me know in the comment section below. Definitely I'll try to do those kind of videos as soon as possible for you all. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.